Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I come up with a very simple scenario yet more effective, which will help you in the project. So very basic, like there is a subcategories are there, and there are some, we are calculating some net sales for that, and we are just giving a rank. So as you know, the rank calculation is very simple. So we are doing a rank X of all product subcategory. Why we are doing it? Because if you not do that, so let's take, you are taking up directly like this, and suppose you want to go for a product table, right? In this case, so every ranking will be 1 here, because there is a like filter context is going on. When suppose it's going to the accessories, it is comparing accessories with accessories, so all are 1, right? So to remove the filter context, I am saying all, then be specific on this one. So I am saying all product my subcategory. This is the way we always do the rank X. Okay, that dense bends everything, you can do it. So now based on this, it is getting it. Now two things we need to do it here. The first thing is how we can remove the rank of the total. The first thing is we can directly remove the total from the table itself, but that is not the case. I want net sales to be calculated as a sum, whereas when I'm doing the rank, I don't want to display the total. Total is 1, doesn't matter, like it's not making any sense. So first of all, that I want to remove it. So how I will remove? Suppose this is the calculation. So we can do is two ways. Two functions can be helpful in this case in the DAX. So put if condition here. First, if I say has one value of my subcategory, if it is true, right? If you have a single subcategories, so has one value is something like, it will check whether it's a single category, single subcategory, single subcategory, single subcategory, and in the total level it is considering the all the subcategories, right? Then I want to calculate this rank, else I don't want to calculate anything. Now if you do this, your rank will be gone. Okay, so that is the one case. Or instead of has one value, we can use IsInscope as well. It will work with the same one. So it is checking whether we are in the subcategory scope. If it is subcategory scope, it is true. When it is more than that, it will not work. Okay, this is also will work the wonders like this. This is the first scenario where you can do and you can display to the end customer like this. Fine. Another one, sometimes what happens is, this is the way it is there. Now let me take a filter here, the sideways, and I'm putting a filter again from the subcategory. Alright, and let me do some settings for this. I don't want to select, sorry, the slicer settings, go to the selection, and I want to just select all. So here if you select all here, so here if you see my first ranking is right now is paper. Okay, it's fine. Now suppose anybody has deselect the paper, expectation would be, which is this 2, right now it is the 2, right? The binders is the 2 1 and 1 is the paper. So ideal scenario would be the binders should be 1 and then it should be continue after that if you are deselecting the paper. But ultimately if you select paper here, just deselect it and see, it is papers is moving out of the visualization, but the binders is still remain as 2. It is not changing the order of the rank, but ideally say what are the visualizations I have, it should change along with it. So whichever you select it, that is not working, right? So why it is not working? Because of one thing. Just remember, this is a very important thing, that we are using a all. So all means it will neither consider the filter context from the table or not the any filter context which is coming from the slicer, also it will not select or it will not consider. So in this case, instead of all, I should use all selector. Okay, and see now. Alright, now I am selecting all. Fine. Now if you see, paper is 1 and binders is 2. Now I am deselecting the paper. Okay, now if you see, the binders become 1 and the rest being the furnishing become 2. Now if I deselect binders again, then my furnishing will become 1. Okay, let's see furnishing become 1. So this is the way we should do the rank. This is a pure like client requirement, and we should do here 2 things we need to understand. The first is the scope, where whenever you have a scope here, then only we can use the H1 value or IsInscope, then only we will calculate the rank, so that you can avoid the total rank on the total part. And second is we need to use the AllSelected, so that any filters which is coming up, based on it will be getting the rank rather than the default rank which is there on the visualization. Okay, hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to this channel for more interesting and real-time scenario like this, and thanks for watching and have a nice day.